Unwanted WhatsApp groups. Here's how to stop unknown invites. Are you receiving unwanted messages from random WhatsApp groups you don't want to be a part of? Gad Insider has got you covered, as managing privacy and control over group invitations is an important aspect of maintaining a secure experience on WhatsApp. We're bringing you a guide that will help you control unwanted group invites on WhatsApp. Here's a step-by-step guide that you can follow to set up WhatsApp group invite settings on your Android and iOS devices. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the Settings option. On iOS, it's located on the bottom right corner of the screen. On Android, it's typically found under the Kebab menu, 3 vertical dots at the top right corner. Step 3. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Step 4. Select Groups. You'll see several options of who can add me to groups. Step 5. By default, it's usually set to everyone. This means anyone with your phone number can add you to any group without your permission. Step 6. To change this setting, you have 3 other options. My Contacts. Only people in your contacts can add you to the groups. They'll need to send a private invite for you to approve within 72 hours. My Contacts Accept. This option allows you to exclude specific contacts from adding you to the groups by selecting them manually. And Nobody. This option gives you complete control. You have to give your permission when you receive an invite from a WhatsApp group. However, if this option is unavailable, you can choose My Contacts Accept and manually select contacts for a more restricted setting. Step 7. Select the option that best suits your preferences by tapping on it. Step 8. Once you've made your selection, the settings will be updated automatically. By following this simple step-by-step guide, you can easily control the settings of unwanted group invites.